Space technology is technology used in outer space for purposes such as spaceflight, space exploration, and Earth observation. Space vehicles such as spacecraft, satellites, space stations, and orbital launch vehicles are examples of space technology, as are deep space communication, in-space propulsion, and a wide range of other technologies such as support infrastructure equipment and procedures. Elon Musk founded SpaceX, which stands for Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, in 2002, as a space transportation and aerospace manufacturer. In this video, we are going to discuss all about SpaceX, its history and future. Before start, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Elon Musk agreed to pay $44 billion for the social networking site Twitter in April 2022. After 18 months of development, SpaceX unveiled the Dragon delivery vehicle in 2006. It was quickly followed by Falcon, a spacecraft designed to transport humans and cargo into orbit. Because its launch services are less expensive than many of its competitors, SpaceX has been a disruptive force in the global launch industry. It collaborates closely with NASA to deliver cargo and astronauts to the International Space Station (ISS) and to launch satellites. SpaceX is developing a new generation of fully reusable launch vehicles that will be the most powerful ever built, capable of transporting humans to Mars and other solar system destinations. SpaceX has gained international attention for a series of historic achievements. It is the only private company capable of returning a spacecraft from low Earth orbit, and our Dragon spacecraft was the first commercial spacecraft to deliver cargo to and from the International Space Station in 2012. In 2020, SpaceX will be the first private company to transport humans there. SpaceX's headquarters in Hawthorne, California, is where the company designs and builds its reusable rockets and spacecraft. SpaceX is vertically integrated as a company, with the vast majority of the vehicle built on the Hawthorne campus. SpaceX headquarters is still one of the few places on the planet where you can see an entire launch vehicle or spacecraft assembled under one roof. According to Reuters, SpaceX will stop producing new Crew Dragon craft once its fourth and final capsule is completed. After confirming the news, Elon Musk's private space company told the outlet that it would continue to produce spacecraft components and that it would retain the capacity to manufacture additional Crew Dragon capsules. Given the Crew Dragon's reusable nature, it was always assumed SpaceX would only produce a limited number of the spacecraft, but until today, it wasn't clear how many capsules the company planned to produce before moving on to other projects. Elon Musk has stated numerous times that Earth's orbit is not SpaceX's final destination. He plans to fly past the moon, transport astronauts to Mars, and safely return them. The next step for SpaceX is a large rocket called Starship, which would have more than twice the thrust of the Falcon Heavy. It is a next-generation rocket designed to outperform the Saturn V rockets that first took astronauts to the moon. The Starship is critical to SpaceX's goal of establishing a self-sustaining human outpost on Mars. SpaceX intends to have the first Starship ready for launch by 2023, followed by a fleet of them in the years that follow. Some Starships will be designed to explore Mars and the Moon. SpaceX is also a partner in NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return to the Moon by 2024. SpaceX was paid $2.9 billion in exchange for developing and operating a lunar lander for the Artemis astronauts. Starlink, a global satellite internet network made up of thousands of satellites that SpaceX is using to provide global high-speed internet, is another project in the works. Elon Musk is already planning to join SpaceX's Starship, on its maiden voyage to Mars before it has even completed its first orbital flight. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.